Good afternoon, friends. Let's discuss today's current affairs topic. Today's topic is India-Kenya to discuss cheetah sourcing for wildlife sanctuary. India has expressed interest in sourcing cheetahs from Kenya for the next stage of Project Cheetah. A delegation of Kenyan officials is due to visit India later this month to discuss the possible translocation, including the number of cheetahs they might be willing to part with. The Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh has been selected as a location for this phase of the project. The plan under Project Cheetah is to introduce 8 to 14 cheetahs annually over 5 years depending on availability. Currently, there are 27 cheetahs in Kuno National Park, 13 adults and 14 cubs. Since the start of the project, 10 cheetahs have died due to illness and infections. Because of this high mortality rate, India is looking to Kenya as another potential source of the predators. Let's discuss about Project Cheetah. Project Cheetah is a groundbreaking initiative of the Government of India to reintroduce cheetahs to the country after their local extinction in 1952. In September 2022, 8 African cheetahs were translocated from Namibia to Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh, marking a significant milestone in wildlife conservation efforts. The project aims to establish a sustainable cheetah population, restore the species' historical range, and enhance the biodiversity of Indian ecosystem. Intensive monitoring, habitat management, and community engagement are crucial components of this ambitious endeavor. About Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. The Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is an abundant natural reserve situated in the northern boundary of the Mandsaur and Neemuch districts in Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1974 and is named after the Gandhi Sagar Dam, which is located nearby. The sanctuary is home to many animal species such as leopards, cheetahs, sambar, nilgai, sloth bear, and four-horned antelope. It also includes several bird species, making it a heaven for bird watchers. Cheetah is a large feline species belonging to subfamily Felinine. Cheetahs play a crucial role as top predators in their ecosystem, helping to maintain balance in prey population. Cheetahs have poor night vision compared to other cats and primarily hunt during the day. Their tail acts as a rudder, providing balance and steering during high-speed chases and sharp turns. As India-Kenya embarks on the next phase of Project Cheetah, optimism pervades the conservation landscape. Through strategic alliances with nations like Kenya and South Africa, India reaffirms its dedication to preserving biodiversity and safeguarding endangered species. The journey to revive India's cheetah population is not merely a scientific endeavor, but a testament to the nation's unwavering resolve to coexist harmoniously with nature. That's all for today. Thank you.